Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info, and in this video I will show you how to add event tickets to Apple Wallet. So actually most event tickets are confirmed with an email, so you have to open the email confirmation of your event that you really bought this ticket, and there you will definitely see the button that looks like this, add to Apple Wallet. So this is some random event ticket that I created, but for example, if you bought your ticket from some kind of website or from the official event application such as Ticketmaster and others, there should be this button as well. So you have to look for this Add to Apple Wallet button. Now you want to tap on it. Now you will see a little preview of your ticket. Now let's tap Add in the top right, and now your ticket should be added to your Apple Wallet. Let's go check that. I will open my wallet application, and here from the list of my boarding passes and my cards, I want to find this event ticket. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.